Good morning. So you ready to start your day off in the best way possible? In this practice, I'm going to take you through warming up those spots that tend to get a little tight when we sleep, around the shoulders, upper back area, and get you invigorated for a really productive day. So if you're ready, let's get started. I recommend getting an invigorating oil into your diffuser. Mint is a really nice one to do. My brand partner Young Living has these really wonderful blends that are great for morning and for focus, like joy, clarity, really fabulous. So get that going. You don't need any props for today's practice, and we're going to start up on all fours. So coming into table, spread your fingers out. Press down through the palms, and you're going to root down to the base of the index finger. So you're really spreading your weight out. We're going to start with some gentle arch and rounding. So you're going to draw your belly in. Just suck that belly in, round the lower back, and release. And again, suck it in, round just the lower back. So you're really getting into that lumbar vertebrae, release. And again, this time you're going to add on. You're going to slowly move that rounding all the way up your spine until your chin is down into your chest. And then release and go the other way. Lift up, arc up, really focus on the upper back here. And again, slowly, belly button in, round that lower back, round all the way up, chin to the chest. And release. Take it all the way up and arc up. Now go ahead and speed it up to the pace of the breath. You're going to start by inhaling, lifting up, exhaling, rounding. So just go whatever pace your breath takes you here. Arcing and rounding. And if you want to take it freestyle, getting into the sides of the spine as well. Still arching and rounding, but up one side, down the other, really getting into your spine. This just brings movement into all those spots we tend not to move very well, right? And then come back to the middle. Separate your knees slightly. Put your left hand in the space between the hands. We're going to do a variation of table with a twist. You're going to bring your right arm up. And I want you to feel the squeeze between the shoulder blades, really open across your heart here. Then you're going to come down to thread the needle, but don't touch down. And then you're going to come right back up and feel the squeeze. And again, come down and come back up. And down and come back up. One more, down, come back up. This time, come to thread the needle and come all the way down. So slide that right arm underneath, come up onto your left fingertips, rest on the right side of your head, and just feel that gentle twist in your spine. Breathe. Such a nice wake up for the body. Come back up. And we're going to switch sides. So put your right hand in the space between your hands. And you're going to press down through that right hand. You're still pressing through the base of the index finger. Bring your left arm up. Feel the squeeze between the shoulder blades. Really activate that thoracic. And then come down. Without touching down, come right back up. Feel that squeeze. Come down. Right back up. Feel the squeeze. Two more. Down. Up. One more. And this time you're going to end in that thread the needle, coming all the way down. Coming up onto the right fingertips. So you're using that right hand to open the right shoulder a little bit as you gently square the hips. Breathe into the twist. And then come back up. And coming back into your table, you're going to walk the hands out a little bit. Bring your knees in so they're back underneath your hips. Step your right foot up for a lunge. Release the hips forward. lift up through the front of the body. Feel that stretch through the front. Breathe. Warming up the hips here. Lift your back knee up. Keep the hips nice and low. Keep that back leg nice and straight. We're going to move into twist. So plant your left hand down on the floor. Take your right hand to the thigh and twist into your thigh. You can stay here or bring that right arm up, just like we did with table with a twist. So you're going to feel that squeeze between the shoulder blades. Then you're going to circle that right arm back and bring both arms up. Sink nice and low. Back leg is nice and strong. It's okay to rest your hands to help you, help yourself get upright if you need to. You're going to lift the heart, arc up, come deep, arc into a little back bend here. Take your gaze up. And then release and come down. Step your back foot up. A little more than hip width. We're going to move into ragdoll. Start with the elbows on your knees. Let your head release down. And just let your back muscles begin to release. You want to let the shoulders fall down toward your ears. And you can stay here or take your hands to the floor. Continue releasing the back. Let it dangle. You are resting your belly on your thighs and letting the back relax. And you can grab the elbows if you want to go even further. This one's really nice at the end of the day too, to release that tension from the back. All right, let's take our lunge series to the other side. So you're going to keep your left foot forward as you step your right foot back, drop the back knee, and release the hips forward, lift up. Feeling open across the heart. Breathe. And then lift your back knee up. Stay nice and low. Back leg is really straight. Moving into the twist, plant your right hand. Left hand comes to the thigh, twist into the thigh. And you can stop here or bring the arm up. Feel that squeeze between the shoulder blades. And then you're going to bring that arm back and bring both arms up. And sink nice and low. This one will help wake up your energy. Lift the heart. Take your gaze up. Breathe. And then release and come down. Drop your back knee. Step your front foot back. We're going to move into extended child. Press the palms. Reach your hips up. Forehead down toward the floor. Keep pressing the palms. Arms are active here. Pull the hips back. Breathe. And then come on up. Move into down dog. So you're going to lift the knees and start by bending the knees. Press the palms, reach your hips up, just gently warming up the body here still. Taking your chest toward the knees. And then you can extend the legs and pedal them out. And then taking both heels down. Keep the hips reaching up toward the ceiling. And then round to plank. And lower down. Knees, chest, and chin. And release all the way down. All right, hands underneath the shoulders. Roll the shoulders back and down. Extend through your legs. Gently press the tops of the feet down. Inhale, come on up. Into, just using your back muscles to start, coming into cobra. Come on down, so we're waking up those muscles. Inhale, come on up. Squeeze your elbows in. Come on down. And again, come on up. Come on down. All right, adding on. Inhale, come on up. Pressing into the hands, coming further. And come on down. Come on up. Press. Come on down. One more. Inhale, come on up. Press. And come on down. Back bends will help give you a little bit more energy. All right. Tuck the toes. Press up onto all fours, back into your extended child's. Spine is nice and long. And then come on up. Have a seat. And just give yourself a moment here to feel. First of all, notice how you feel. It just took us a few minutes, and it just makes such a difference, doesn't it? You just have a little bit of energy, and you're ready for your day. I want you to take this energy into your intention for the day. Do you want to feel really productive? Is there something specific that you want to complete? Be intentional and set that intention. I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for joining me. And you might want to check out this bedtime yoga video tonight to cap off this wonderful day. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video.